This chapter is going to be so much of fun because this Dakshina Padam chapter 2 of class 6 semester 2 will be a exercise song. Yes, exercise song means we need to know some body parts in general and then we are good to go, sing and play around. Let's start. प्रिय छात्राः नमस्ते, मैं हूं आपकी संस्कृत आचार्य डॉक्टर नम्रता। नमस्ते संस्कृत यूट्यूब चैनल पर आपका स्वागत है। हमारे साथ जुड़िए। प्रेस द सब्सक्राइब बटन एंड डोंट फॉरगेट टू क्लिक ऑन द बेल आइकन। सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। आरंभम कुर्मः। लेट्स कॉल कान्हा अगेन। सो श्री कृष्ण इज हियर. दिस इज हिज राइट साइड and this left side. In first chapter we learned two words, hastah, padah. Hastah, padah. If it is right side, right hand will be called dakshina hastah. Show me your right hand and say dakshina hastah. Now wherever you are standing, just lift your right leg and say Dakshina Padah. Dakshina Padah. Dakshina Hastah. Dakshina Padah. Coming to the left side, left is called Vama. So, left hand is called Vama Hastah. Vama Hastah. Vama Padah. Vama Hastah. Vama Padah. Show me your left hand. Vama hastah. Lift your left leg. Vama padah. That's correct. Okay, so this is the word. Let's sing it directly. You need to just lift your right leg this time and do forward and then backward and then round and round motion. Here I am going to show you all this with action, with hands. Just make sure you lift your right leg and then do the action. Let's start. Dakshina padam puraskuru. Dakshina padam kuru prishtam. Dakshina padam puraskuru. Dakshina padam kuru prishtam. Mandam mandam bhramayatam. Mandam mandam bhramayatam. Golakaram swayam brahma. So this was that easy. If this section of 4 lines is learnt by you, I promise you will enjoy all the stanzas of this song. Dakshina Padam is the right leg. Puraskuru meaning somebody is giving instruction. You do this. Puraskuru, make it forward. So lift your leg and make it forward. And similarly, Dakshina Padam, Kuru Prishtham. Prishtha is back. So make it back. पीछे करना है. Then a word. Mandam mandam. Slowly and slowly. Bhramaya. Gumao. So make round and round motion slowly and slowly with the same leg. Tam. Dakshina Padam. And then at the end, Swayam. Yourself, you have to spin a little. How? Golakaram. Next, we are going to lift our left leg. Vama padah. And the song goes same. Just we have replaced the Dakshina word with the Vama. Meaning, left leg. Just like this, boy. Vama pada puraskuru. Vama pada kuru prishtam. Vama pada puraskuru. Vama pada kuru prishtam. Mandam mandam bhramayatam. Mandam mandam bhramayatam. Golakaram swayam brahma. That gives us the second stanza. Meaning you already know. Puraskuru. Do forward. Which leg? Left leg. Do forward. And again take it back. Then mandam mandam tam bhramaya. Make slow rotation of the same leg. And then you yourself spin a little golakaram in the shape of gol, meaning just take a round spin. Next we are having Dakshina Hastam. And the song goes same. Lift your right hand this time. Dakshina hasta. Dakshina hasta puraskuru. Dakshina hasta kuru prishtam. Dakshina hasta puraskuru. Dakshina hasta kuru prishtam. Mandam mandam bhramayatam. Mandam mandam bhramayatam. Golakaram swayam brahma. So, meaning is clear. So, I will not go into meaning again. Let's move on to the Vamahasta. This is left hand Vamahasta. Forward, Puraskuru. Backward, Kuru Prishtam. Mandam mandam, slowly. Brahmaya, to spin it. And Swayam, Golakaram, spin around yourself at the end. So, it goes like Vamahastam Puraskuru. Vamahastam Kuru Prishtam. Vamahastam Puraskuru. Vamahastam Kuru Prishtam. Mandam mandam bhramayatam. Mandam mandam bhramayatam. Golakaram swayam brahma. That's the end of our song. No. Dakshina, Vama, Hastaha, Padaha, all four done. What is left? Now, both the hands. Because दोनों पैर तो कर नहीं सकते ना, दोनों पैर आगे और दोनों पैर पीछे, unless we are sitting on a bench. So, let's do the exercise song with both our hands. Hasta dvayam, meaning two hands. It's a simplest way to avoid dvivachanam. Dvivachanam is hastaha, hastau. If you don't want to go into those grammar concept, easy way is to say hasta dvayam. Hasta dvayam puraskuru. Hasta dvayam kuru prishtam. Hasta dvayam puraskuru. Hasta dvayam kuru prishtam. Mandam mandam bhramayatam. Mandam mandam bhramayatam. Mandam mandam bhramayatam. Golakaram swayam brahma. Now, sarvangam. There is one mistake I noticed, because in Sanskrit, we don't get anuswar like this. Let's do that first. Correction. As said before, any type of anuswar we see like this, mandam, karam, swayam. Anuswar means half ma. So if after va, okay, so after va or above va, if we get that anuswar, it won't be ma. It's ang. Sarvangam. Sarvangam hi puraskurum. How? Just hold your hand like this, keep your hand like this, and now forward and backward, okay? Sarvangam hi puraskuru. Sarvangam hi kuru prishtham. Sarvangam hi puraskuru. Sarvangam hi kuru prishtham. Mandam mandam bhramayatam. Mandam mandam bhramayatam. Mandam mandam bhramayatam. Golakaram swayam brahma. So whole upper body, we are moving forward, then backward, and then mandam manam, slowly and slowly spinning, like we are having an imaginary hoopla. And then we say Golakaram swayam brahma, a spin at the end of each and every stanza. And that's so much of fun. So whenever you friends meet again, I want all of you to play this game at least once a while. Okay? It would be fun to listen to this Sanskrit, and everybody would be like, oh wow, you know the exercise song in Sanskrit? Okay, so get this compliment. The conclusion stanza is Sarve militva khelama. Sarve militva gayama. Sarve militva khelama. Sarve militva gayama. Sarve militva khadama. Sarve militva nrityama. Okay, so now we are used to saying khelamaha, pathamaha, khadamaha. Here there is no visarga at the end of any of these words. Visarg कहाँ चला गया? Exercise करने भाग गया? तो I'll tell you one thing. जब विसर्ग नहीं होता है तो वो हम कर रहे हैं ऐसा प्रेजेंट टेंस में नहीं, चलो हम करें, लेट्स डू दिस, उस सेंस में यूज किया जाता है. एंड इट्स कॉल्ड लोट लकारः इन संस्कृत. Imperative mood in English. Ajñarthaka in Hindi. So, sarve refers to all friends, all of this. Militva, milne ke baad, milkar. So let's together what? Let's play together, let's sing together, let's eat together and let's dance together. तो यही तो होता है, दिस इज चाइल्डहुड जिसे हम कहते हैं. मजे से डांस करो, मजे से गाओ, मजे से खेलो और मजे से खाओ. टाइम टू सॉल्व द अभ्यास कार्यम ऑफ चैप्टर 2 सेमेस्टर 2. प्रथमः प्रश्नः उच्चारणम. Pronounce the following words correctly. पुरस्कुरु, पुरस्कुरु. आगे करो. कुरु पृष्ठम, कुरु पृष्ठम. पीछे करो. भ्रामयतम, उसे घुमाओ. भ्रामयतम. Okay, never mind. In our complete song, there was let us do this. Nrityam, khadam. But here, they have specially given aha. So, this 2 dot will be equivalent to half her in Uchcharan. Okay, when you are speaking it, uttering it, it sounds like half her. Okay, so this word Nrityamah. Nrityamah. The reason I am saying her completely is because it captures the sound of the last swar, and that is ma, a. Her with a. So complete her. Nrityamah. Khadamah. Sarvangam. If it is to be written like this, it would be pronounced as Sarvangam. Sarvangam. Something like that. But the correct version is this one, as we corrected in the chapter also. Sarvangam. Sarvangam. Written like this or one above the other. Okay, so in the chapter there is just Nrityama and Khadama and change the word this one. Let's speak the following words with actions. Puraha, Puraha, ahead. Gayamaha, we are singing. If it is without visarg, just Gayama, let us sing. Prishtham, behind. Nrityamaha, dancing. Khelamaha, playing. Golakaram, Golakaram, or just spin, and this is Golakaram. Khadamaha, Vama is left and Pada is leg. Vama, Padam. Dakshina Hastam, right hand and left leg. So we learned all these words. The question is, please write this in a good legible handwriting, and then we learn the meaning also. Dakshina is right, Vama is left. Dakshina, Vama. Mandam, Shigram is for speed. Mandam, slowly. Shigram, fast. Puraha is forward and Prishtham is back. Puraha, Prishtham. Mandam, Shigram. Dakshin, Vama. So please read and write these words and also write the meaning. Mandam, Mandam, when said twice, means slowly, slowly. Kachapaha, Katham Chalati. Kachapaha, Mandam, Mandam, Chalati. Vriddhaha, Katham Chalati, an old person. Vriddhaha, Mandam, Mandam, Chalati. But not always. I have seen many Vriddha who are Shigram and youngsters who are Mandam. Okay? Shigram refers for speed of Chitrakaha, fastest animal. Chitrakaha, Shigram, Shigram dhavati. Katham dhavati, Shigram, Shigram, fast. Again, for slowly and slowly, I have 2 words. The easiest is Mandam, Mandam, that is given in the chapter. Another word is Shanaihi. Although the visarg sound is h, we will say it he. The reason is वो ऐ का लास्ट साउंड पकड़ता है. ऐ कैसे बना है? अ और ई से, तो ई वाला साउंड ह को मिलेगा. So that's why शनैहि, 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 शनैहि. Then this is चंदन, और चंदन को घिस घिस कर. तो घिसने के लिए क्या वर्ड है? घृष्टम घृष्टम, घृष्टम घृष्टम. चंदनस्य लेपः भवति. चंदन का लेप कब होता है? इसको घिस घिस कर. घृष्टम घृष्टम. That's right. Okay, now I'll tell you one story. If this is a vrikshah, vrikshah always has some roots. So, root word is called moola dhatu. Or you can just call it moola, because roots के लिए भी हिंदी में हम मूल कहते हैं, गुजराती में पर मूलज कहिए छिए. Now, mool is same, but the shakha, the branches and the flowers and the pushpa, all are different. Similarly, if the word is patha, patha is the moola. So each and every of this left column are called moola because they are having this halanta shape that resembles moola. Is it so? It is because this is the root form of any of the word. Only patha can be made into many words. For example, in present tense, pathati, taha, anti, pathasi, pathatah, pathat, pathami, pathavah, pathamah. In past tense, in future tense, in potential mood, in imperative mood. So, let us count. If there are 10 into 9, 90 forms can be made. So 90 shakha and the main is patha. So here we don't have to make any 90 things. Here we have to make only one. Khelamah, just by adding a and mah. तो इससे क्या होगा? सिर्फ लिखना है? नहीं, इससे ये होगा कि संस्कृत में क्यों कहते हैं कि एक ही वर्ड में सभी मीनिंग पता चल जाता है. अगर मैं बोलती हूँ वंदे मातरम, तो वंदे शब्द से ही मुझे पता चल जाता है कि ये कौन बोल रहा है. अहम, अहम मातरम वंदे. मैं माता को यानी भारत माता को प्रणाम करती हूँ, वंदन करती हूँ. इन द सेम वे, as soon as I say खेलामः, the intention is vayam खेलामः. All of us are doing these things. So all of us, कौन बताता है हमें? ये एंडिंग बताता है. If it is just खेलामी, तो पता चलता है अहम खेलामी, मैं खेलती हूँ. लेकिन सबके लिए खेलामः, हम सब खेल रहे हैं. So khada will become khadamah. Let's skip this for a while. Coming directly to patha, pathamah. Now you know the common mistake students make here. You often forget this halan has to be removed here. कभी कोई वो वृक्ष के ऊपर कोई फ्रूट या फ्लावर में देखा है कि वो रूट वाला शेप वापस आता है, रूट वहां पे भी उगता है? नहीं. तो ये हलन को यहीं पे छोड़ना है और फिर आमह ऐड करना है. पठामह, हम सब पढ़ते हैं. लिखामह, हम सब लिखते हैं. Okay, we are skipping this too for a while. Chala will be chalamah. All of us are walking. Brahma will be brahmamah. Brahmamah will have two meaning. One Brahma is गोलाकार भ्रम, घुमाना, और दूसरा भ्रम है कहीं पे आप घूमने जाते हैं तो स्वयं आप यहाँ वहां आटा फेरा जो करते हैं, उसे भी हम भ्रमामह कहते हैं. वयम भ्रमामह. नाउ लेट्स टॉक अबाउट दिस टू. यहाँ पे ब्रैकेट में दो चीज क्यों है? लेट्स स्टार्ट विद दिस. जैसे आपका बहुत अच्छा नाम है चैतन्य फॉर एग्जाम्पल। लेकिन घर पे आपको सब क्या बुलाते हैं? चिंटू। उसी प्रकार से पीब 2 अक्षर वाला है, पी और आधा ब। तो इसमें ये जो 1.5 अक्षर का जो शब्द है वो अगर किसी को डिफिकल्ट होता है तो लेट्स अंडरस्टैंड दिस इन दिस स्टोरी। सिंगल चैतन्य चिंटू, वैसे ही पीब पा। अब क्या पा में आपको आ मह लगाना है? पा आ मह नहीं, ऐसा नहीं होता है। तो क्या करना है? फॉलो दिस रूट। पीब पीबा मह, वयम पीबामह, हम सब पीते हैं। वयम जलम पीबामह, दुग्धम पीबामह, दूध पीते हैं, पानी पीते हैं। अब यहाँ पे मेन वर्ड इज नृत, बट होता क्या है? देयर इज सम सपोर्टिंग कैप्टन, जिसका मैंने सिंप्लीफाइड संस्कृत सीरीज में उल्लेख किया हुआ है। देयर इज अ कंप्लीट एपिसोड डेडिकेटेड टू दिस। यहाँ पे एक आधा त के सहारे में य आ जाता है, तो य को इंक्लूड करते हुए आपको लिखना है नृत्यामह, अर्थात हम सब नाचते हैं। बट डोंट फॉरगेट द मूल इज नृत पा, लेकिन जो शब्द बनते हैं वो इस तरह से बनते हैं। तो दैट्स व्हाई मेक इट अ स्टार मार्क, महत्वपूर्णम अस्ति, दिस इज इंपॉर्टेंट। एंड हियर अभ्यास कार्यम अपि संपूर्णम। धन्यवादः, पुनर्मिलामः। Do some Parokar today. Share this video to those who are still confused in Sanskrit. Join our support system group exclusively for students of class 5 to 7, 8 to 10 and 11-12 onwards. Keep learning and have fun with Sanskritam. If you found this video helpful, contributions are open and welcome to the UPI number given in the description box. You can also contact WhatsApp number 8511 499 555. It's completely optional and your contributions will help us to create more free videos for all of you. धन्यवादः।